Hello friends, welcome back to K Hair Factory Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. It's me again, Justin, sales manager of K Hair, and today I will show you guys about gains or loss of Vietnamese virgin hair. This video will bring you knowledge about Vietnamese virgin hair, compare the advantages and disadvantages so that you can consider buying Vietnamese virgin hair or not. Are you ready? Intro. In Vietnam, only hair harvested from a single donor is considered as Vietnamese virgin hair, and this particular type of hair is considered to be the most expensive. Vietnamese virgin hair of the same high rate is becoming increasingly hard to come by. Highest quality of Vietnamese virgin hair needs to meet or greet all of these following standards: softness, straightness, color, consistency. But you shouldn't limit yourself to only Vietnamese virgin hair. Vietnamese remy hair is becoming increasingly popular and is worth looking into if you want to have more options. Hair extension manufacturer in Vietnam buy unprocessed bundles of Vietnamese virgin hair as materials to make different kinds of hair types. Quality Vietnamese virgin hair enables for a wider varieties of extension to be produced. For this reason, many individuals are looking to purchase virgin hair from Vietnamese virgin hair wholesalers. That is the characteristic of Vietnamese virgin hair. So what are the advantages Vietnamese virgin hair brings back? Females in Vietnam's mountainous regions are the original source of Vietnamese virgin hair. The low temperature and lack of direct sunlight here are ideal for maintaining the hair's beauty. People here also utilize natural samples like linden and bento grass to maintain the health and the smoothness of their virgin hair. In addition, most of the hair sold by the world's wholesale hair seller originates from countries with hot and dry climates like India, Cambodia, Brazil. Consequently, unlike Vietnamese virgin hair, it is generally dry, untidy, and prone to falling out in clumps, or even rolling into tiny little clumps. Their virgin hair is typically not as strong, silky, smooth, or straight as Vietnamese virgin hair is because of their weather. Therefore, when talking about the best quality hair, people often think of Vietnamese virgin hair. As can be seen, if you buy Vietnamese virgin hair, you will own the best quality, smooth, and shiny hair. If you're retailing Vietnamese virgin hair for personal use, you will get beautiful hair like your own real hair. Moreover, the lifespan of Vietnamese virgin hair can last from 5 to 7 years or even more if you know how to properly maintain it. If you buy Vietnamese virgin hair for resale, your customers will experience premium products with the best quality. They will be extremely satisfied with the quality of this hair, and they will continue to buy your products again. But there are some disadvantages you should consider when buying Vietnamese virgin hair. It is no surprise that premium price of Vietnamese virgin hair reflects its superior quality. Given its extremely rarities and authentic qualities, virgin Vietnamese hair is the most costly virgin hair in the world. Also, this is one of the main issues that clients have while looking to buy virgin hair from Vietnam. In any case, please keep in mind that only quality things can stay for a long time. You should find some hair vendors with good quality and affordable price, not a factory with good price and unsure qualities. With my explanations above, have you found the answer to the questions Vietnamese virgin hair gain or lost? If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment below this video or message me via this WhatsApp. If you find this video useful, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is Justin, and I will be back for more and more videos on K Hair Factory Best Vietnam Hair. Thank you and see you again.